Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm going to show you how to change your ringtone when somebody calls you. Okay, so very, very simple to do. Just go into your settings. You can just simply swipe up, go into your settings here, and then from your settings, what you want to do is you want to go down to where it says sound and vibration. Tap on that, and then go ahead and scroll down, and under ringtone, it says phone ringtone. Now take note that you can change your text message ringtone as well. You can also change the sound from your notification. Okay. Anyways, for this video, it's just the phone ringtone. When somebody calls you, they're going to be hearing this or this. Also, take note that you have to make sure that your ringer is not on vibrate or silent. You want to bring it down to ring. Okay, and you can go ahead and choose whichever you want from there. And then from there, that's it. If you want this one here, just leave it just like that. And there's no save or nothing. Just go ahead and go off like that. And you're ready to rock and roll. As soon as somebody calls you, that last ringtone that you enabled is going to ring. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.